In this video, I will share a simple 5-step process that can make you $1,000 to $5,000 per day using 1 minute of work. And I will start that money steps in a moment, but before that, I want to make sure you don't waste your time and money. I will show you a clickbait method that will never make you money, even if you spend years on. So don't do this. And I will share the 5-step method with you, which is the correct, simple, and long-lasting way to make money online that I have been doing, and millions of people are doing and making money. So stay tuned. Just like you, I always look for new ways to make money online. I research things, read blogs, and watch YouTube videos on the latest methods that experts claim you can use to make money. For instance, here is a video that I found when I searched how to make money 2022 on YouTube. Touch your phone and make $4,500 for free. Make money online 2022. Well, whatever the title is, I wanted to see what the method is. You see, $4,500 a month just need to touch my phone. What could be easier? First, I checked the numbers in the video. The channel is pretty popular with more than 71,000 subscribers. It has received 37,000 views within 3 months, and more surprisingly, 1,000 likes. Likes mean people loved it. So it can't be all bad, right? So this should be a good video, right? This means they must be doing something right if this video has that many likes. This is amazing results in terms of video popularity, and I can clearly imagine how much money they are making from these videos, because we make $5 on average from every view we get from YouTube, and we make money from long and our 1-minute short videos using our software Epic, and we don't even put any effort into it. We simply copy and paste free public image links. We get the voiceover done by the software's built-in voice creation system. We get our video scripts written by the software's artificial intelligence, and with just one click the video is ready. We upload the video, YouTube sends us views, and from each view we make $5 on average. You should definitely check out Epic, link is in the description, and it is free for my YouTube viewers. So what I get from their numbers is definitely they are also making a lot of money from their videos. I opened the video, watched it twice till the end. I followed step by step. This video led me to this website that makes you money by testing softwares or other people's products or offers using your phone, computer, and tablet. Pretty interesting, right? I signed up following the instructions in the video. I spent 30 minutes answering around 68 question answers, which means I must have made good money, or at least any money. But when I checked my financials and achievement section, to my surprise, I saw I didn't make any money. That's weird. I simply followed what the video said, but I still made no money. I searched for their FAQs and got to know that answering all these questions only makes you points. Once you have 1,000 points, you move to the next set of questions, what they call mission. But these do not equal money. I realized that this method will not make me any money. It was painful and weird at the same time that I wasted so much time on something that absolutely doesn't work. Maybe someday they will send me some work and maybe I will make a few pennies here and there, but this can't be called a reliable income stream. But good news, you won't have to waste your time, as we have done it on your behalf. Because after going through all these tests, researches, and watching videos, I found the only way to make money online is by helping others. This realization led me to understand the system, and today I have a 7-figure per year business online. So how do you make money then? Step number 1 is simple. Before we move forward, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and share this video with your friends and family. This way, you are learning learning what not to do and what to do in order to make money online, and at the same time you are helping others, your friends, your family, and your social media contacts as well to learn how to make money online the real way and the easy way. And everybody will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. Please don't miss any step till the end of the video, because every step is important, and if you skip any step you probably won't make any money in this system. Step number 2, yesterday I spent around $250 on Amazon to buy this car rear view mirror film to protect my car's side mirrors from the rain and fog, and this adjustable ankle and leg weight as workout equipment. I bought both these items because I needed them. I bought some books as well the other day. So step number 3, this is what takes us to step number 3. Here comes the important part. Where did I buy these items? I bought them from YouTube Shorts. Go to YouTube and search for the best car rear view mirror film, anti-water or anti-rain, something like that. Now, just like most people, I don't watch long videos anymore. I prefer watching shorts. So I quickly scrolled down and I found shorts. Well, the reason is obvious. Shorts get millions of views these days. Look at these shorts here. Look at this. It got 82,000 views, another one 4,500 views, another one 11,000 views. Look at it, 11,000 views, and I can go on and on, really thousands and thousands of views. One reason is obvious. YouTube is promoting short videos these days because shorts is a new feature on YouTube, and YouTube is trying to make shorts popular to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. So you can find more shorts on YouTube. Second reason is shorts are small, concise, to the point videos that get message across quickly and easily. While I was done watching the shorts and wanted to buy the product, I simply go to the first comment right here and click the link in the first comment, because I know normally affiliates put their links in the first comment. Shorts are amazing, right? They just work. The person who made this simple short helped me take the decision and made a commission on the sale without costing a penny to me. And that's how Amazon and any other affiliate marketing works. Wait, Mosh, are you asking me to make videos? I hate videos. I hate to be on the camera. I hate using camera. I hate speaking on video. Well, videos, yes, but no, not the way you are thinking about. Not like us. We like to make videos on the camera, but you don't have to. So before you say it's too much work and you don't want to do it, let me show you how you can do it in just 2 steps within 3 minutes using my software Epic. Link is in the description and it's free for my YouTube viewers. Go get Epic. So now let me show you how Epic works. Let me quickly show you how we make product review videos using Epic. After logging in, click this Create New button. Give your project a name and select vertical, click Create. This is a blank canvas and you want to add image and other elements. Go to the product page and copy the image address or the image link and paste the link here, and immediately the image is on the canvas. Now you can rotate it, you can enlarge it, move it, pan it, make it dramatic. Let's copy a little bit of text here, paste it right here, and click the Add Text button to add the text. Now you have all different options to move the text or change the text color, rotate the text, add a little more text here if you want to. Let's place it right here so viewers can read. Time to add a little voiceover. Go to the audio section. You can upload a recorded audio or record your audio directly from your mic, or use the software's text to voice feature to create voiceover for you. I'm just going to copy this text right here and click the text to audio section, give it a name, select my favorite voiceover and paste the text here, and simply one push of a button and the voiceover is ready by the software. Now click this add button to add the voiceover into your video. You can add more graphic elements into your video to make it nice if you want. Move it around, rotate and position it as per your choice. Change the text background and text color if you want. I personally prefer blue for this video. This is just one tiny video. You can add as many video clips as you want. So just click this add new section And if you want, you can select all our videos that we make for us. All of them are here, right here for you to use as template. You can use them using just one click and import into your canvas and use them, or if you can create your own. Once you're done and happy, click the render button and the video will be rendered, created in the background. When the video is ready, the software will notify you via email. Oh, also the fun part is it can be done from anywhere on the planet because it's a cloud-based software. So if you just have a computer and internet connection, you can make short videos and make money from any country, any city. And you can withdraw money with PayPal, Stripe, Bitcoin, and any other digital currency. So step number 4, go to Amazon or JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, Commission Junction, create your free affiliate account. Search for the product you want to promote. Before you select a product, make sure to check its reviews and ratings to ensure it's a popular product, it's a quality product, and people would want to buy it. Once you have selected the product, copy the image, links, and go to Epic and make shorts within 3 minutes. Paste your affiliate link in the first comment and pin it. Ask people to buy through your link. Be honest and tell them upfront that you will make commissions, and this way they are supporting your channel to make more helpful videos. Step number 5. When you are done with your videos, just upload it. Since it's a short video, it's a 1-minute video and not a lengthy video, YouTube will promote it and you will make money. Now, when someone buys the product by clicking on the link in your shorts pinned comment, you will make commissions. Because of your sincere and honest review, people will follow you and watch more of your videos and buy more from you. It's as simple as that. Go get Epic from the link in the description and start making your money-making shorts today. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn and you get our software to make money online. Please support our channel with a little like and share this video with your friends and family so they don't make mistakes on learning how to make money online, do wrong stuff that don't work, and do the real things that actually work and make money online. So go ahead, share this video with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.